2 ways to protect folders with passwords. Neither Windows or Mac OS X natively support adding a password to your folders. There are still ways to protect your files. However, watch this video to get started. Method 1. Windows XP. Step 1. Create a compressed folder. Right-click on your desktop or whatever location you would like your folder to be. Select New, then click Compressed or Zipped folder. This will make a new .zip file that you can add files to, as if it were a folder. Step 2. Move your files. Copy and paste or click and drag your files into the new .zip file. You can move as many files and folders over as you would like to. Step 3. Add a password. Open the .zip file. Click File, then select Add a password. Enter a password of your choice, then enter again to confirm it. You will now need this password every time you access the .zip file. Other users will still be able to see the contents of the individual folders, but they will not be able to access them without the password. Step 4. Delete the original. Once the .zip file is created, you will have 2 copies of your folder, the original and the .zip file. Delete or move your original so that it cannot be accessed. Method 2. Windows Vista and later. Step 1. Download and install a third-party compression software. 7-zip is one of the most popular free options available. Step 2. Create the compressed file. Select the folder that you want to password protect. Right-click and select 7-zip from the menu. Step 3. Adjust the settings. You can rename the file that will be created. Choose .zip from the archive format menu. If you want the folder to be compatible on systems without 7-zip installed. Step 4. Add a password. On the right side of the 7-zip window, there will be 2 fields to enter and confirm a password for the file. Step 5. Delete your original. Creating a compressed file will leave you with 2 copies of your data, the original and the compressed file. Delete or move the original so that it cannot be accessed.